Are you over 50 and wondering how to style your grey hair to look younger? You're not alone. Many women are embracing their natural grey hair and discovering that with the right styles and care, it can be both youthful and vibrant. Stick around until the end of this video for a surprising tip that could transform your look. Grey hair is beautiful, but the real secret to rocking it is knowing how to work with it, not against it. For women over 50, embracing your natural grey can be incredibly empowering, stylish, and confidence-boosting, but only if you know how to style it right. When done properly, grey hair can look vibrant, youthful, and chic. So let's dive into some tips and tricks that will help you enhance your grey hair and make it a showstopper at any age. Before we dive into the details, let's start with a style that can instantly give you a fresh and youthful look. Here's one simple change that can make all the difference. Adding layers and texture to your grey hair is an amazing way to add movement and volume, both of which are key to creating a more youthful appearance. For example, a layered bob is a perfect style for women over 50, and it frames the face beautifully and adds dimension. This style works wonders because it softens facial features and gives you a fresh, modern look. Plus, if you're dealing with thinning hair, layers can work miracles by adding the illusion of fullness, giving your hair a much thicker appearance. Regular trims every 4 to 6 weeks are crucial to keeping the shape intact and preventing those dreaded split ends from making their appearance. Making the switch to a layered bob can truly be a game changer for your look, but it's important to remember that your hair's natural texture plays a big role in how the layers will fall. If your hair is fine or thin, adding texture can instantly create volume, making your hair look fuller and more vibrant. On the flip side, if you have thicker hair, layers can reduce some of the bulk, making styling easier and helping to avoid that puffy look. It's a great idea to chat with your stylist about your hair type and the best way to customize the layers to fit your unique needs. At the end of the day, the goal is to enhance your natural beauty and feel confident in your look. A layered bob not only complements your gorgeous grey hair, but also gives you that chic, sophisticated vibe that's timeless and stylish at the same time. You'll not only feel great about the way you look, but you'll also radiate confidence and grace wherever you go. Now that we've talked about how layers can add volume and softness, let's move on to a style that brings even more edge and energy to your grey hair. If you're looking for a style that adds a fun, youthful vibe to your grey hair, the shag haircut is an absolute game changer. This cut is making a major comeback and is perfect for women over 50 who want a fresh, modern look. The shag brings choppy layers and face-framing pieces that give your hair a playful, energetic feel. It's a fantastic way to embrace your natural grey while looking effortlessly chic. Now, here's the best part. This style is incredibly versatile. No matter your face shape or hair texture, the shag can be customized to fit you perfectly. Whether you prefer something a bit more subtle or are ready to go bold with textured layers, the shag has got you covered. Plus, it works wonders for creating volume, especially if you're dealing with thinner hair, and it adds softness to your features. For styling, a good texturizing spray is your best friend. It helps enhance that natural, tousled look, adding even more body and movement to your hair. Simply spritz it on damp hair and scrunch to create those gorgeous, carefree waves. And don't worry, you can easily adjust the intensity of the layers, whether you want a laid-back look or something with a bit more drama. The shag haircut isn't just about looking younger, it's about feeling empowered and embracing your grey with confidence. Now that we've talked about choosing the right cut and keeping your hair healthy, let's move on to a styling tip that can really elevate your look with minimal effort. Soft, loose waves are the way to go if you're looking to elevate your grey hair with a look that's both classy and youthful. This style works wonders in adding volume and movement, which are essential for keeping that vibrant, energetic appearance. Plus, it brings out the natural shine of your grey strands, giving you a sophisticated yet effortlessly chic vibe. The best part, soft waves are incredibly versatile and can be adapted to fit both short and long grey hair. Whether you're rocking a pixie cut or flowing locks, this technique works beautifully. All you need is a curling iron or styling wand to create gentle waves that add texture without feeling overdone. To keep your waves in place without sacrificing that natural bounce, opt for a flexible hold hairspray. This way, your hair will stay put without any stiffness or crunchiness. It's all about that natural, soft finish that still holds its shape throughout the day. If you're after a more relaxed, beachy look, you can even skip the curling iron and let your hair air dry with a bit of wave-enhancing mousse. It's the perfect low-maintenance yet stunning style that will leave you feeling confident and youthful. Now that we've covered how to keep your hair healthy and styled, let's talk about something that can truly make a difference: choosing the right haircut for your face shape. Choosing the right haircut can truly make a world of difference when it comes to how you look and feel. It's not just about following trends, but finding a cut that enhances your natural features. For women over 50, the right haircut can not only shave years off your look, but also help you feel more confident every day. For example, if you have a round face, a chin-length bob with soft layers can be flattering. The layers will add dimension and help elongate the face, creating a more defined shape. On the other hand, if you have an oval face, you're in luck because many styles work well for you. Longer, layered cuts can enhance your natural bone structure and give your look some extra movement and body. Don't hesitate to have a chat with your stylist about your face shape and features. They can help guide you toward a cut that will complement your unique characteristics. A well-chosen haircut can highlight your best features like your eyes or cheekbones, and downplay areas you might prefer to minimize, like a broad forehead or a more angular jawline. And if you have a particular style in mind, bring photos with you. It's a great way to give your stylist a visual reference, ensuring you both are on the same page about what you're looking for. Now that we've discussed how to find the perfect cut, let's move on to something just as important: keeping your hair healthy so it looks vibrant and youthful every day. Healthy hair isn't just about looking good, but it's also about feeling good and taking care of yourself. When your hair is healthy, it naturally looks more youthful, shiny, and vibrant. Grey hair can sometimes be more prone to dryness and brittleness, but with the right care, you can keep it looking its best for years to come. Regular trims are essential to prevent split ends and keep your hair looking fresh. Don't let those ends get too unruly. A trim every 6 to 8 weeks will help maintain shape and prevent damage from traveling up the strand. Along with trims, deep conditioning treatments are a must. They hydrate and nourish your hair, leaving it soft, shiny, and full of life. Try using a deep conditioning mask once a week, especially if you feel your hair needs an extra boost of moisture. Another great tip is to incorporate natural oils like argan or jojoba into your hair care routine. These oils are packed with nutrients that can help nourish and soften your grey hair, bringing out its natural luster. Just a few drops massaged into the ends can work wonders, making your hair feel silky and look radiant. Lastly, protecting your hair from excessive heat styling and environmental damage is crucial. If you can, let your hair air dry or use heat tools sparingly. When you do use them, always apply a heat protectant spray to minimize damage. The less you expose your hair to harsh elements, the healthier and more youthful it will look. Now for the bonus tip, that is all about practicality. Your hairstyle should work for you, not the other way around. Life can be busy, and the last thing you want is a hairstyle that requires constant attention. If you're someone who's always on the go, a low-maintenance cut can be a game changer. Something like a chic bob or a textured pixie can keep you looking sharp without much effort. These styles are easy to manage, but still exude sophistication and style, perfect for women over 50 who want a polished look that doesn't take hours to achieve. But if you love experimenting with your hair and enjoy mixing things up, no worries. You can still keep a few styling tools on hand to change your look when you're in the mood. Adding soft waves one day or smoothing it out into a sleek, straight style, the next gives you endless options to stay fresh and fun. It's all about finding that balance between ease and versatility, so your hairstyle feels like a natural extension of your lifestyle. So, which of these tips are you most excited to try? I'd love to hear how you're embracing your grey hair and what styles are working best for you. Drop a comment below, and if you enjoyed watching this video, you will definitely love the next one.